In 2018, Visual Interest formed a charitable entity called Lighthearted. It is basically something that we've created to give back to the community.
Every year, Lighthearted picks a different company to support throughout the year.
This year, we voted on Aquino Second Chances. Every year, we have an annual bowling tournament called Rollin. This is the second year that we've had Rollin and the first year that we've sold out. That's really important because we have this tournament that is totally sponsored by manufacturers and our clients. They each have a team of 5. That money goes towards funding this event, and then the carryover goes towards a donation. Visual Interest then does a 100% match of that donation. Last year, we donated $12,500 to our chosen charity, and this year, we hope to increase that by even more.
We've done it 2 years in a row now. It's been a great success, and with everybody's support, we hope to continue to do it for years to come.